So if you are looking around to get some inspiration to print, well, Fixumdude has some awesome prints which you can print here on Zachary's Monthly Maker Monday. Hello, I'm Zachary and this channel is about 3D printing with tips, tricks, tutorials, how to review news, anything 3D printing or 3D printer related you can find right here on this channel. If you're new here and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification button to get the latest news and updates right in your YouTube alerts. And if you want to have an inside scoop before YouTube, check me on Twitter, Zachary_Bergen. And thanks for being here. As mentioned in the intro, this is going to be my very first monthly Maker Monday. My intention is to encourage you to get some awesome prints out of your FDM 3D printer. Some of the prints that I show in the videos can be for the FDM 3D printers, but also for resin printing as well. In this video, I'm going to show you the prints of Fixumdude. Fixumdude is known for his articulating or his card prints. If you're familiar with some plastic model builds that can be jet fighters or some other things that you had to glue, I don't know if you know the brand Revell or some other brands that you had to glue those things together and you get something awesome. And also Fixumdude has some awesome cards where you can cut all the pieces out and then put them together. You don't need to glue the parts, everything will fit together. I also had the opportunity to do some test prints from the Patreon site and I have to say I glued this one together, but it is looking amazing. This is the TIE Defender. It's a very awesome print. It's also something like this or something like this. It's a card where you take all the parts out and then assemble them as a model. Before I'm going to assemble the cards, let's take a look at some other models that you can find on the Thingiverse site from Fixumdude as well. He also has a Patreon. I will put the link in the description as well. So if you want to support this maker in particular, then you can use that link to give him some support. So this is an articulating pig. It's very flexible. I like it. This is also Baby Yoda printed in PETG. And this is one of the things that I do like about it. Also printed in the extruder black filament. It's also very flexible, as you can see, printed, normal print speed, normal printing temperature, but no brim to make sure that every movement is correct. And also this owl, even that is fully rotatable. It's very flexible. It's amazing. The cards, it's very nice. It is coming like this. You cut them out and you can assemble it without any glue. So let's start with the first one. This is the TIE Interceptor. When you are going to get this printed, you brim to make sure that everything will stick to the print bed. But of course, you don't have to do that if it is not needed. So on the card, you will find some numbers. There you can see how everything or where everything should be assembled to. Let's cut the pieces out and let's start the assembling. And this is done. This is the TIE Interceptor. I had to watch for it. I know, I'm sorry. But it's looking amazing. Let's build the other one. The Land Speeder. Let's go for the land speeder. Let's build this one as well. If you have some pieces that you have to bend, I rather would try the heat bed from my Prusa Mini in this case, in order to soften the material a little bit to make the bend. So let's take 70 degrees, let it heat up, and in the meantime I'm going to continue with this. Like mentioned, if it doesn't fit, try to get some pieces off with a file. Something like this, and it fits nicely. So now we are going to continue with the other part, and so this is done. Let's do the other ones. I'm not going to record it, but you will see what the idea is. In the meanwhile, I also finished the Millennium Falcon. It is looking amazing, and just like I said, when you want to round those straight pieces, put them on a heated bed at around 70 degrees Celsius, and then try to bend it as smooth as possible. I can imagine that it doesn't work always, but take your time and make sure that it is going to look very nice. I'm very happy with the result, and also the Lambda class shuttle is also done, and the cool thing is, as you can see it's movable. It articulates, and that is something that is awesome from Fixumdude. So to wrap up this video, if you don't have anything to print, or you want to have some special gift for somebody that likes to build those kind of things, then the stuff of Fixumdude is very nice to do. You have Star Wars themed cards, you have also some articulating baby Yodas, or a pig, or a owl. You have different kind of things you can find. If you want to start printing something like this, then I will put the links in the description where you can find them on Thingiverse, but you can also check the Patreon from Fixumdude as well. There you get some little updates or some other things before they are going to the Thingiverse website. The links I will put in the description of this video. One is the link for the Thingiverse website of Fixumdude, and the other one is to support Fixumdude on Patreon. This video is supported by these Patreon supporters: Loya Moses, Fixumdude, and the Lightspeed. Thank you for your awesome support. You can also support this channel by checking the Patreon link in the description of this video. And thanks. If you're still watching this video, you are amazing. Thank you. On the end card, there's some recommended videos worth watching. And while you're out there, check out the merch in the merch store to support this channel as well. Please like this video, share this video with other people and on social media. And hey, let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary, 3D Prints. Bye bye.